First, let's build the colors. So some colors are already generated. We can see the harmony that has been applied. We can change the harmony. Let's say we have a specific brand color. Right, you can directly enter the X value over here as well, and the palette will be generated. Now based on this, the rest of the colors will be changed. So if you select triadic, the rest of the two colors, secondary and accent, will follow the harmony based on the primary color. Same goes for analogous and split complementary. You can also enable or disable the system colors, that is for the success, warning and error states. For pro users, we also have the option to edit those colors, which you can expand and edit them. So once your colors are ready, click confirm changes, and the colors will be added on the right side. You can see the whole palette over here.